Cheers from San Antonio. Bye, farewell. Bye, Lucia. Hope you had fun. All right, Bo. See you later. Be safe. Hope you have a safe flight. Okay, bye, Sissy. Let us know when you order it online. Okay. Let me know. Did you already get me hugging him? Bye, bye. He's gonna go hide. He's hiding. Are you hiding? Where is he? So I'm in a BMW rental right now because, man, it's such a long story of what happened. And when I have time and stuff like that, I will explain. But this is a pretty cool 2020 X2 rental. It has a lot of space and it's cute. But man. Alright, y'all, so here she is. She reminds me of the wannabe Discover made by Land Rover or Range Rover. I really love it because it has CarPlay and it's just a nice cute little car, which it's pretty compact, but it's cute. Getting ready to go get the actual car. Ooh, you tired? You tired? My favorite feature are these lights. I don't know why. It just does something to me. Okay, so I forgot to talk about what had happened to this BMW because I'm putting it up for sale. Nothing. I think like maybe a few weeks ago, I was getting into the Cadillac and there was a flat tire. I think I posted a picture on it. So when that happened, I had to transfer to the BMW. When I transferred to the BMW, I think I left the key fob on top of the car and drove it off. So then when I got to my destination, I turned the car off, and then that's when I found out that I didn't have the key. And when we bought this car, it only came with one key, so we were like shit out of luck. And so we had to get a key fob made, which took like 3 or 4 days. So we had to leave the car literally at the hotel, and that's why I had to get a rental. So there's nothing wrong with this car. It was just a bad Friday. Flat tire, a lost key fob. In one whole day, I think we spent like $1,300 because we had to get a whole new tire because on the hole, it was just a way too big of a hole, and it was on the sidewall, you know. So literally, there is nothing wrong with this car. It's like really a good car, and it's got a brand new key battery. All the maintenances and stuff is done through BMW. So yeah, we're just getting rid of it because like 4 cars is just way too many cars, and it's going to up our loan amount for a house. So it's got heads-up display, it's got the sunroof here, navigation, backup camera, sunroof. Here's just what the car looks like from on the inside. Cream leather, heated front seats. Here's the back. Very, very clean. Hunter. Who is that? So I'm finally getting ready to get my underarms waxed. Holy crap. It's literally been like a month or longer. But anyways, I wanted to show you this freaking Audi that my friend has. It is like amazing. Oh, look back there. Look at the sunroof. Ooh, this is the back of that. She's putting gas in the car right now. Where did she go? Where did the booty go? The booty over there. So here's the front. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. She rich. Like, she not rich, but she rich. There's a guy that's looking at me right now, but oh well. Yeah, this is nice. Quattro. Putting gas in the car. Yeah.
We left to go to Washington, and it was just me and her. Be together, though. No comment.
Wow.
I don't know how much I would do. I guess I would do that for the work in here.
Dang. Yeah. Hey. So this is what would be the media room. We'd have to find some. Yeah. This is nice. Mm-hmm. Chin, this is the house that we were inspecting. Yeah, this is. Wait, what'd you say?
The four that we seen today are good homes.
Are they?
For the first one, the yard.
Oh yeah. A little vanity.
So I'm good. I don't need it. I don't need to go nowhere.
This is.
Oh, hell yeah. And I put my cup. Oh, I'm sold. This is it. I don't need to see no more. I know where I'm going.
Look at this view. And it's crazy because this is one of the houses that is lower.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you like this? Hi. Oh, there's homes over there that's called the Reserve.
Yep. Where's Terrence?
I think he's in there.
So this is the bad.
Oh.
That a lot of people don't like being close to a major road.
Oh.
So you're gonna hear the traffic. But from selling houses over here, this is how the road is most of the time.
Mm-hmm.
But when it comes to resale, you said your dad's gonna put him in Germany? He wants to drop in there?
No, he would buy. He would
He
buy.
don't buy this shit.
I'm available. I wanna be his kid.
I know.
He don't, hey, they don't even pay attention. When this joker came, hey, they don't pay me no damn attention no more.
That's the way life is.
They
My
don't
parents are the same way.
They don't get they damn. Shit.
So the interesting thing in this room is that it has access to a room, an open space room like this. So I don't know what this room would be. That's the view. Here is the loft. And it has a cooler, a bar section, and all of that. Peekaboo! 3?
I love it.
And here's the beautiful gate with a fireplace. Wow! Hunter, you said wow. Oh my goodness. Here at IKEA, I just pulled up here. I'm going to do some home furnishing, shopping ideas, decoration ideas. Oh, yes, me and the baby. Hopefully he will be good. I got some cookies that will hopefully stop him from being cray-cray. And then I got my sanitizing spray that I need to put in my bag. What I'm gonna do is just kind of get ideas on how to decorate certain things, certain rooms and stuff like that. The house is such a really big house and I just need ideas. Wish me luck. Okay, wish me luck. Peace out. Let's go inside. He always takes his shoes off when get in the car. It's like literally the first thing that he does. Okay, come on. His car seat is filthy. Okay. I really like this color. Are you ready to decorate your room? You looking? I pushed sideways down the hall. I should have picked a better cart. How awkward. Oh, this is cute. I like this color. The lamp your average consumer talked about. I'm not gonna do it, but pretty cool. And that's a wrap. We're all done. That was quick. Okay, so we just finished, and I tell ya, every time I have a mask on, it's hot right now, and then my nose always runs. And I have to make sure I don't have that mask face. Better be safe than sorry though. It was pretty cool in there. I really enjoyed the things that I saw. I got some nice inspiration of what colors. I always feel like I just kind of play it safe as far as like picking colors and stuff out. But I think I'm going to venture out since we're actually paying a painter. I think I'll kind of go out of my comfort zone. Now I'm gonna go and find some coffee. Ooh, there is traffic. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Look at this delicious gumbo. Oh my. Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh, bam, bam. Oh, nobody can mess with Hunter. Nobody. Oh, bam, bam.